This is all going to be the positive quadrant. So because all of these points are positive, we're just going to make this the positive quadrant. So you can put your axes right on the edge here and here, which will make
Yeah, we have to make our own.
yeah, we're all going to do it all in the positive quadrant. Go ahead and plot your points, please, and label them. You have, this is just the positive quadrant. That should work out fine. Plot your points, label them A, B, C, D.
That's how you make it.
So everything is positive. Don't put your axes in the middle. You won't have enough space. Graphed it wrong last class, so hopefully I did it correctly today. Okay, we're intelligent individuals. Hopefully if you graphed your points correctly, then by looking at it right now, what does it look like to you? Okay, it's a trapezoid. Do you think it could be an isosceles trapezoid or a right trapezoid, like even more specific? You think isosceles. Okay, before you just go and launch into a proof, you need to check your side lengths and check your slopes. So we're going to make right triangles out of our sides. We're going to start with the slope. So make your right triangles out of your sides. You've done this part before, so I'm going to go through it kind of fast, or at least faster. Here you've got 3 for your rise, 6 for your run. Your slope would be 3/6, which is going to simplify to what? 1/2. Okay, write it down. Check your other one that across from it. If it's a trapezoid, it has to be parallel. You have to have a set of parallel sides. Rise is 5. Run is 10. 5/10. What's it simplify to? 1/2. Oh my goodness. It's a trapezoid. Check your side lengths, please. We're going to make a right triangle again. This triangle has side lengths of 3 and 4. You do not have to make a triangle out of the other side across from it. Just count. What's the length of that side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a side length, not a slope. And to find the other side length, I should see you do Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, and solve. We've done this several times. You're doing 9 plus 16. So you're taking the square root of 25, which is 5. Okay, you got your two side lengths are 5. Your slopes across from each other are the same, 1/2. What kind of trapezoid is it? Isosceles. It has parallel sides and a set of congruent sides. So you need to start by writing down your definition. That's step 1. It's okay with me if you abbreviate or if you use symbols, so long as you're still writing in complete sentences. You can even number it if you really want, but I still need complete sentences. So an isosceles trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has two things. It's got one set of congruent sides and one set of parallel lines. And you have that definition written down, hopefully, so you could just copy it over. Or parallel slopes are the same. Something that tell me that they should be the same. If you've done that, then you're ready to tell me what the slopes are. Give me the actual number and then tell me what's true. Congruent sides are equal in measure. And then you're almost done. You just have to tell me the side lengths.
That was the double.
The side lengths of AB and DC are both 5. So what do you know about them? They are congruent.
You have to do all this just for one question?
Mm-hmm.
Then they're better than they more than 5. Never. Just ask all. Is that true in this credit? Never? Unless you're watching. No, I'm just upset about this. Dude, I was gonna be so mad if they kept painting and I got on my shirt. I would have took the power up on it. They were gonna do that. Like, this is what you get for painting. I'm just gonna be bold. I felt like every time that body gets snapped, you know, this kind of stuff. They look like